welcome to my studio. Hope you're having a good day. Now you all know I've been getting into wreath making lately and I've been having a lot of fun with it. So recently I did some major hauls from Dollar Tree and Walmart to pick up a whole lot of supplies and a whole lot of wreath rings, and we're going to have some fun and make some wreaths. What I did is I went shopping, I bought a whole lot of stuff, then I brought it home and I sort of sorted it out by, oh, these will go nice together in a wreath. So we're going to try to make one. Let's get down to the table. So for this one, we're going a little less traditional. We're not going to do Christmas colors. What I found was these beautiful snowflakes, silver and blue, and some beautiful silver picks, and some blue deco mesh, and some silver deco mesh, and some silver tulle. And we are just going to have a whole lot of fun with this. So let's get ready and start. Okay, so pro tip number one, when working with hot glue and deco mesh, get yourself one of these little silicone makeup brushes so you don't burn your fingers. Hot glue is hot. It will burn you rather well. So we're going to start by folding the deco mesh back on itself. Pushing that down with our silicone brush so we don't burn our little fingers, and let that set a second. So it's holding. And then we'll be ready to wrap. We're going to wrap all the way around. When you get to the end, I'm going to cut off this excess. Get to the end of a row, you're going to glue it down. And then that's the spot where you'll start the next row too. We want to make sure we wrap a little past where that start point was. Good. Good. Okay. And then again, we're going to glue it down. Cut off our excess. All right, now you always want to make sure before you start gluing things down that you sort of lay out the pieces you have, figure out what you need to cut, and trim them all ahead of time. Like these, I could leave all at once, but I'm not sure that's if I want that much or whether I want it to be a shorter distance. So I want to put these together for my snowflakes and then have these coming out from. That, and then I want to have have a little bit of each of these on each side. So we're going to cut these. So sort of lay out and figure out how you want it to look ahead of time. Cut off any extra stuff that you're not going to need. Shorten things up. And you're ready to go. That's going to go. So I'm going to do the under stuff first and then put the stars on. Only because it's going to be easier that way. It's usually easier to stick it under something, but because these are sort of heavy snowflakes, I want to actually get the other stuff under it first. And we're going to do the silver snowflake first. Because this is an ornament, it's on both sides, but that's actually good for me because it's going to make it stand up and away from the... We're going to stick that right in the middle. Press that in. Okay, now we're going to do our side snowflakes. That's looking pretty. All right, now I'm going to push that to the side for a minute and that can firm up and dry, and we're going to work on getting rid of some of this glitter, and then we're going to make the bow. Hold on. Okay, I cleaned up my table a bit and I made it so you could see somewhat the markings here at the bottom. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my silver Deco Mash. Measure to 12 inches and pinch, and then I'm going to measure out 12 more inches and pinch and bring that together, and then I'm going to go 12 more inches and pinch and bring that together, and I'm going to bring out 6 inches and cut. So I've got that to start. going to, where's my clip? I lost my clip. Oh, there he is. And I'm going to have my little clip here hold that for me for a minute. You know, I can put it in my fingers. All right, so I'm going to put that in my fingers. So I got my two tails. That's a little long. I got my two tails. Now I'm going to get my blue Deco mesh. And I'm going to go out. This time I'm going to go to the 7-inch mark because I made it too long last time. 7 inches and pinch. I'm going to put that pinch into my fingers here. And I'm going to measure out 12 inches and pinch. And make my first loop. I'm going to make 12 inches more and pinch. Make my second loop and put that in between my fingers. And come out 6 inches and cut. So I've got this so far. To take my tool and again we're going to go seven inches and pinch. Now I'm going to take a pipe cleaner with this first part and just stick it in where my finger is. Just to hold it for a minute for me. Okay, give that a twist. Put that to the side for a second. All right, so 7 inches and pinch. 12 inches and pinch. 12 inches and pinch. And this time, because this is thinner, I'm going to make another one, third one, 12 inches and pinch. And then 6 inches and cut. Okay, and then I'm going to stick that into my pipe cleaner. Ooh, everybody's sticking to each other. No, 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 no. Okay, I got everybody back where they belong. And so I'm going to take my third one, which keeps sticking to everybody. Put that up front here. Put my twist tie on to hold everybody together. Just playing with my ends because they're sticking to everything. And we're going to fluff it out a bit. We're going to use that twist tie to attach it. At the top. So we're going to put that. We're going to use our twist tie to attach that at the top here. Make sure I get it in the center, which I didn't. There's some of this excess. I always put a little glue dot down to help keep it from shifting. All right, then we flip it over. We can floof a little. And this is Deco mesh and Tulle, so it doesn't quite fluff the way ribbon does. But there we have our pretty bow. Okay. Hold on for final results. Okay, and we have final results. So there is our very pretty Deco mesh and Tulle bow. And we have our wonderful snowflakes here at the bottom. With our little wispy bits coming off to both sides. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you see more videos. Thank you so much for being here, and have a wonderful day.